Jinglip Bording Kadei kylleng bynta jong Jylla, kamdei satia Jingpynlip Khnang lani load shedding hynrei kadei na jingdon Jingthut Tiar boarding ong Myntri tnad boarding Jylla u AT Mondal. Haba kren berkinat pathai Khubor Myntri iathuh bakadau hi bunsien kala bandei na Tiar balarim kum waiar bat kiwei. Uong ru badei hakum kine khep baki haban pynlip boarding na bynta ban yo maramot. Ya kaba Jylla hakisni sajan bat sni U BLei.
Not deficit. This year we have not gone for load shedding. Whatever disruption is there, these disruptions are for natural causes. These disruptions are because of the old equipments, because of the old wires and everything. These are because of that the load shedding is there. Again, if I tell load shedding, it will go shutdown. Go in another way. It is shutdown is there, which sometimes may take. Maybe Saturday morning you will get little bit annoyed because there is no power. That is the time we feel that all the repair work should be taken care of. All the rehabilitation work also should be taken care of during Saturday morning hours and all these things. School, colleges, most of the institutions and government offices are closed on Saturday. So we try to see that those are done. Even transmission system also we are trying to see that this problem is mitigated, because you can see there are long distribution line with one substation. So and many DTs, distribution transformers, are connected to that line. So if one area gets disturbed, so other area also get disturbed. So we are working on it, and we are even moving proposal to government, and I had a detailed discussion with Honorable Chief Minister that we need in critical areas some more substation. If we wait for central fund, it will take years. So CM has also agreed that phase wise he will also help us from state fund. So if those things happen, we'll take care of critical areas where the distribution line is very long and there is fluctuation of power, drop of voltage, all these things that happen. We'll be going through ADB funding and other funding. Recently, we have inaugurated one in this Shillong constituency and one in Damalgiri under Rangshakuna constituency. Very soon we were supposed to inaugurate one substation in southwest Khashi Hills, southwest Garo Hills, that is called Pura Khashia. But because of the flash flood, portion of the transmission line was washed away. So we postponed the inauguration of Pura Khashia substation, where CM was supposed to inaugurate on the 8th of this month. So similarly, we are taking care of to see that many substations will be now starting because we put pressure on the executing contractors also. Our officers also working overtime to see that these substations are commissioned as early as possible.